rise in gun violence in our city.
There's discrimination in the labor market.
I was a victim of gun violence. I got shot in my head. I had a little bit of PTSD. I haven't worked for the last 2 years, and I have 5 kids. This is the 3rd site that I've done.
I'm a single mom, so things get a little hard and rough sometimes. I am actually hoping to go into the Wi-Fi installation field.
These people don't have something as basic as internet that people take for granted. The workforce program has been a welcome opportunity. They're actually building the same things that they're going to be using. There is no other model where the dollar is going to be recirculated back into the same community as much as it will here.